Alright, let's take a look at how the Druid's Den is doing fall of 2023. Right before Halloween. Everything's still doing great out here. Some stuff I'm gonna have to bring in still, and some stuff I still need to plant, but some Brussels sprouts. We did just get this apple tree planted. It seems pretty happy here. Got some Halloween decorations up. Still need to plant some of these pansies here, but got them for Halloween. I just haven't got around to plant them, unfortunately. Pumpkins, they're about all done now. There's a little bit going. We might get another pumpkin or two. It's hard to tell.
You want to come over here?
Okay.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, that's great.
Cool.
We got about, I don't remember how many we got total, maybe like 6 or 7. A couple of them ended up going bad or were eaten, but most of them survived. We're going to use them for jack-o'-lanterns this year. We're going to go carve some pumpkins with my parents. Some grape. I got the jalapenos here still doing all right. Got a ton of tomatoes on here, but it's getting pretty cold. It's supposed to freeze tonight. I'm not sure. They're probably not going to survive, but we'll see what happens. You can hear the dogs. We'll go see them in a minute. They always freak out about this kind of stuff. Here they are. Sorry about that. The blackberries and elderberries are doing well still. Sometimes these blackberries keep their leaves even in the winter here. So we'll see what happens. The elderberry's going to lose its leaves though. And still got the elephant ears going in oxalis. Strawberry plants are doing great. They spread so much, it's been awesome. I'm going to cover them, if it gets any colder than 20, I'm going to cover them, but it shouldn't get any colder than that this time around. It's still so early in the year. And yeah, the chickens over here, we got a temporary heat lamp here. That's about it outside at the moment. So we should go check out the inside here. Alright, so here's how we decorated for Halloween. We didn't go too crazy, just a few little hints of orange. We've got some of our pumpkins over here. Those are some of the ones that we grew. That's pretty fun. Yeah, we definitely have redecorated since we've done a video, so. Yeah, that's how the front room's looking. The kitchen, here's some of the kitchen decorations. Here's how the really old plant's doing, looking great. Alright. Oh, is she? Hey, it's hard to get them to go to the bathroom outside when it's like this. Good job. Where'd you go? Good job. You wanna go inside now? Oh, and here's the other one.
It's freezing.
That's cute. Is that thunder?
I think so.
Wow. Okay, yeah, it's just been so rainy out here. All right, let's go inside, everybody. All right, I'm just gonna take a look at the back here, show everybody how everything's looking, okay? All right, so it's the bathroom. And here's how the loft is looking now. Here's the person who hangs out in the most. That's Boo. Yeah, it's mostly just a area to hang out and play board games and video games. You know. It's a coffee plant here, false shamrock, and then this is a pineapple that we're getting to reroot. We've actually got another one as well. And the kitchen table over here. And then, yeah, jasmine plant. Yeah. The closet here. Pretty much the same old. And then we've redecorated a little bit in here. Not too much though. Been using the projector a whole lot to watch movies at night. Yeah, that's about it.